Yeah, what's up? Those things, man. Yeah. Had to get some in and out. We got like a 7-hour drive. But of course, spot where I can watch the car. Guys, this is surreal. I can't believe I got it. And check this out. I forgot my GoPro. I forgot my GoPro memory chip. So everything's done on my cell phone for this video. Like, I couldn't have made that any worse. Like, so sorry, but yeah. This is like a dream come true. Getting it done. ZL1 and a Corvette, but we're not buying that. You guys thought I was buying a Mustang.
Okay, you're welcome. So you just have the 1 month of service, okay?
All right, perfect. Thank you so much. You can see what I just snagged back there. I just got a 23 ZL1 in red hot. I can't believe how this car looks. I can't believe how it looks. I just want to give a shout out to Stevens Creek Chevrolet for taking care of me, for being honest, for having just complete, like, awesome experience. The guys are Camaro guys. 2 of these guys drive LT1s. My sales guy back there, he helped me out, dude. Big shout out to Alan, man. You guys have been, all of you guys here, everybody here has been so great to me. You know, they kept the integrity right with the price. Everything has gone great. But yes, we snagged a ZL1 for the channel and I can't wait to get it on the track. Shit, I got a 7-hour drive home right now, but I'm not even lying. This is my new car, guys. I'm not even lying. Thank you for all your support, guys. Part of the Hot One LE Army actually put this together for me in some ways. We don't need to go into all that, but you guys took care of me, and so did this dealer, dude. I am so freaking excited. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the car, but yes, this is it, guys. Yeah, dude, you guys are awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, definitely.
You're welcome. So what we're going to do is set up your account and go over some of our features, okay?
Okay. Hey, shout out to my salesman's car right there. That's his LT1. That is dope. I'm having a great day. That's his LT1 though. What a clean car, dude. Excellent, excellent. All right, we got the ZL1. We're riding home. We're on the 101 South, and I am so freaking stoked right now. I cannot believe. Can you believe? I can't believe I got this car right now. And like, the difference between driving in the SS1 LE and the ZL1 is totally different.
The hand is not there.
Okay. But yeah, this is like a dream come true. Show the car a little bit. Show like the interior a little bit and stuff. This is, I can't believe this. This thing is so nice. Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna keep driving. We're gonna go get some food. We're gonna go some in and out. I'm gonna update you then. But yes, having time of my life. I'm so excited. So crazy known fact about this road. Back in the day, I had a Cobalt SS supercharged, and it was red, just like this car. I feel like this car is like the big brother of that car. And I hit a $140 in it. It was the first time I've ever gone that fast. I mean, it's a beautiful road out here, right? But I hit a $140 in it, and it kind of scared me because it was straight, and then all of a sudden it turned. And the car totally took it, and I lived. I didn't die that day, which was a great thing. Look at that reservoir out there. That ZL1 up on the hood. And it was the first time I had ever gone that fast. I lived, I was happy, and I decided I never needed to go that fast again. Well, I did pass that later on, many years in the SS1 LE. But this was that exact road I did it on, and I'm driving it right now with my ZL1, which I'm braking in, so I'm not going to be hitting a $140. Maybe I'm a little bit smarter nowadays. Maybe not. But I don't know, just a cool fact. So it's the we're on the 152 here going through part of California, and had we hit this like a month earlier, this would have been all green and luscious and beautiful, but I'm not going to complain. Guys, I'm honestly having the time of my life. I'm so happy I bought this car. This is everything I wanted. The experience was everything I wanted. Like, everything's gone great today. I don't know, it's just, I hope it just stays this way. Well guys, we actually did it. We copped a ZL1 Camaro in red hot, exactly how I wanted it. You're gonna have a lot of questions, and I'm gonna get to every one of those in every one of these videos, but just know that this is the next Canyon car. This is the next track car. I'm super excited. I'm in love with how the quality of this thing is. I can't believe I own a ZL1 right now, and I'm so happy to bring it to the channel. Like, I got a killer deal on it that you're not gonna get anywhere else. It's got 400 miles on it now, but when I bought it, it had 10. So it's as new as you're gonna get. I can't say enough things. I hope you guys enjoy the car that I got. I hope you're not disappointed I didn't get a Mach 1 or the CTV4 Blackwing. I know I threw around a lot of options. I kind of did a lot of teases and stuff in there, but yes, this is mine. This is ours. The crows are mad at me because this is a freaking weapon. This is an enemy, and they hate it. I love it. It's beautiful. It's bringing me so much joy as it is. It's got wine. I mean, I can't say enough good things about this car. And shut up and smash like you've never heard it before. And I promise you, you're used to hearing exhaust noises and seeing the good, you know, up front point of view and everything. Well, you're gonna get more. Conan hasn't gotten in it, but we're going to Cars and Coffee this morning, and he will be in it. But guys, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for being a part of it.